In this video, I'll show you how to make your YouTube channel private. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. First things first, go ahead and open youtube.com. Then click on your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once you're here, go to the left and you will select Settings. You'll find it right here at the bottom. Under Settings, select Channel and then go to Advanced Settings. What you need to do is to scroll down all the way to the bottom and select Remove YouTube Content. Now here, Google is going to show you your Gmail account. Just make sure that you're about to hide the YouTube content from the correct YouTube channel. If that is the channel that you wish to hide, simply select I want to hide my channel. Click on the arrow right here, and you do need to check off this little 2 check boxes. Here, Google and YouTube is pretty much letting you know that your YouTube content and your activity will become private. That does include all your subscriptions, your subscribers, and your comments, replies, likes, all of that thing. So if you are sure, simply select Hide My Channel. And to confirm your action, simply click on Hide My Content. And that's it. You will receive this small messaging confirming that all your videos and your content is hidden, and that's all you need to do. I hope this video helped you.